What is M code and G code? G code control movement. Actually, it create action that make the machine move. M code control machine function. Is usually turn thing on or off. Now I'm going to show you the basic movement with G code. Go to MDI program. G00. G00 is a rapid movement without feed rate. The tool move faster above the workpiece without cutting. Example, it moves from point A to point B. We go to location X20, Y50. DOB, end of block. Input. Cycle start. G00 is used to move the tool from point A to point B in straight line as fast as possible at a top speed. G01 is the cutting a straight line with feed rate. For example, go to X-50. Then we put feed rate, example F100 meter per second. DOB input. Cycle start. Okay, now we see M code. M3. M3 is spindle on. F1000 means operational speed RPM 1000 RPM. DOB input. Cycle start. M5 is spindle off. DOB input. Cycle start. M8 is coolant on. DOB input. Cycle start. M9 is coolant off. DOB input. Cycle start. So G code create movement, M code turns thing on or off.